Pipeline Managing Director Charles Tenui and 15 others of conspiracy to defraud the government corporation of 644 million shillings. During the ruling, the magistrate stated that there was no evidence that was within the different roles. The accused had a common intention to defraud the Kenya Pipeline Company. Chichi Josephine with a roundup of the court stories.
The letter of acceptance.
Former Kenya Pipeline Managing Director Charles Tenui and 15 others who are charged with conspiracy to defraud the government corporation of 644 million shillings were acquitted on Friday.
All the accused in count 1 and the first accused in count 5 are hereby acquitted under section 210 CPC. And number 2, a case is sufficiently made out against the 11th accused in count 2, the 13th accused, the 13th, 15th and 16th accused in count 3, 4 and 7, and the 13th to 16th accused persons in count 6. And all those accused persons are called to their defense.
The 6 accused appeared before the Chief Magistrate of the Anti-Corruption Court, Felix Kombo, who stated that the conspiracy charge had not been proven and that it could not exist without an agreement between the accused.
That the charge of conspiracy in count 1 against all the accused persons is not established on the evidence called. Consequently, the same is hereby dismissed.
Elsewhere, Kapseret, Member of Parliament Oscar Sudi was acquitted by the court on Friday in a case where he was charged with forging educational certificates.
Oscar Sudi, on the 9th of September 2015.
Chief Magistrate Felix Kombo said the government failed to establish a strong case against Sudi and could not present and verify the document, meaning the charge could not stand.
The natural consequence of non-production is that the documents are not proved, and if they are not proved, cannot legally be the basis for any allegation against the accused person. It also follows that all evidence derived on the unproven contents of the said documents translates into worthless documentary hearsay. Consequently, I find that in the absence of formal production and proof of MFI 9 and 20, which are the basis of the allegation in counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 9 against the accused persons, those charges are rendered unsustainable and must instantly fail.
Meanwhile, Milimani Chief Magistrate Ben Makehobi released a 19-year-old Ian Njoroge on a bail of 700,000 shillings after dismissing the prosecution's claim that he was on a flight risk.
Every information has to be verified. We have to follow our standard procedure before proceeding to hand over a report in court. So, Your Honor, I'm only asking for 7 more days.
The 19-year-old student was accused of assaulting a police officer on Committee Road and snatching a communication device from him. In his ruling, the magistrate noted that the prosecution's claim that Ian would be at risk if released was not sufficient to detain the accused. Chichi Josephine, TV 47.